This is for year 11 methods. We're going to look at question 3i from exercise 3e. So we want to solve this equation by completing the square. Okay, and you'll notice there's a variable k here, or parameter k. Don't let that disturb you. Simply do the scaffold method. Okay, so I'm going to have the negative 3k. So that's negative 3k over 2. Square it, so that's 9k squared over 4. And you copy the constant term, so plus 1 equals 0. Okay, so all you have to do is combine these two numbers as one single fraction. So if I make the 1 over 4, so I get negative 9k squared over 4 plus 1 over 4 equals 0. I can now combine the two terms. So that would be minus, now you got to be careful when you're combining the terms, that's 9 minus 9k squared. Now it's going to be minus 1 over 4. The reason is, you can think of like this whole fraction being inside a bracket and you got a negative outside. So when you expand the bracket, there'll be positive 1 again, okay? So then what you're going to do is you want to solve it by completing the square. So we've already completed the square. All we need to do is, you can do it either two ways. You can bring the 9k minus 1 over 4 on the other side, or you can do a dots pattern. So it's up to you. I'll do it both ways. So if you do it by the dots patterns, you get x minus 3k over 2 minus bracket 9k squared minus 1 over 2, and that's the square root of it, sorry, over 2, x minus 3k on 2 plus square root of 9k squared minus 1 over 2 equals 0. So therefore your solutions for x would be 3k over 2. Now they're both going to be over 2, so you can combine them. So 3k over 2 plus root 9k squared minus 1 over 2, or x is positive 3k over 2 minus root 9k squared minus 1 over 2. Okay, so that's your two solutions. Now the other method is, if you move the fraction to the other side, so that's 9k squared minus 1 over 4, and these square both sides, minus 3k over 2 equals plus or minus 9k squared minus 1 over 2. Your x would equal, now again these can combine to the same denominator, so you get 3k plus or minus 9k squared minus 1 over 2. Okay, we can write them out as separate solutions, but we keep them like as a compact solution. It's up to you. So as you can see, we get the same answer. So hopefully that helps.